Suran Kofta. So literally it is for people who are vegetarian. Now Sindhis, as you know, we had nothing when we came. Sindhi kitchen and you're not doing Suran Kofta, it ain't happening, man. Welcome to the Sindhi kitchen. Let's start cooking. I'm cooking this dish after many years, okay? I was not a huge fan of Suran. But you know something, when we were kids, our mom used to tell us it's chicken and we ate Suran as if it was chicken. Can you believe it? Yes, but it's true. So as you saw, what did I do? Now Suran, also which is called the elephant foot yam, it is a very indigenous vegetable. Okay, it's actually a tuber which grows in the ground. Now Sindhis, as you know, we had nothing when we came. We made sure that we use these amazing things. Lotus stem, carrots, shalgam, all the root vegetables, all the vegetables which were cheap, we used all of them because we didn't have a choice. Now, there is a dish which is called Suran Kofta. So literally it is for people who are vegetarian, who can't afford meat, who also don't like to eat meat. So this is one of those dishes which has been elevated from under the ground to weddings, to ceremonies, to birthday parties, the works. So they are pretty popular. So I have done the Suran. I was wearing gloves because जब भी आप Suran काट रहे हो, you got to be careful because उसका नहीं तो आपको खुजली हो जाती है. तो you have to oil your knife, oil your hands and then cut the Suran. लेकिन आज मेरे पास gloves थे तो it was easy. उसके बाद मैंने इसमें मसाले डाले हैं and I've got to give them 3 to 4 CTs. While this is cooking, let's make our beautiful onion tomato gravy. Now to bind it, if you see, I have some bhuna hua besan, but hold on, later for that. So we're going to start off with this big bang of khada masalas here. So once the khada masalas start actually crackling, just like this, amazing. I'm going to be throwing in my onions. So we've got almost these grated or kadukas onions or minced onions as you call them. Now we are not actually looking at a complete brown gravy, but yes, we are going to color it in a nice way, okay? I'm going to be adding some butter into this gravy, okay? It's got a really nice touch. So I tend to use butter and oil, ghee and oil, mustard oil and butter. Depends on the mood, depends on the weather. Today I just feel like putting some nice salted butter along with my light soybean oil. Okay, so you got a damn good flavor. So ye dekho, the butter has another scene only altogether. Okay, so we've got this lovely smooth, not smooth, but very almost like a melting down kind of consistency happening here. So they're getting a beautiful, lovely, really nice color. This is exactly what I'm really looking for. I'm going to go a little more further down, make them a little light brown, not very dark, but a good golden brown in color. The next thing I'm going to be adding is my chopped ginger, garlic and green chili paste. A nice big 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and chili. Okay. Going to cook this further down and that is our first whistle. Okay. So we've got this really nice flavor going on. Next we're going to add our spices. So 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala. A little bit of salt. Beautiful. And then we're going to be adding our fresh tomato puree. Now on a very slow simmer, I'm going to be cooking off these tomatoes for our kofte ki gravy and then prepare on to make our koftas and then fry them. So it's all about how you plan your work. Anything is possible. Okay, so after 4 CTs, this is beautifully cooked. Look how nicely mashed it is. It's got a very nice flavor. जो हमने इमली डाली थी, मसाले डाले थे, नमक डाले था, इट मेड अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस। अभी बारी है इसकी फिनिशिंग की। सो फॉर फिनिशिंग के लिए आई हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ चाट मसाला इन दिस, अबाउट 1 teaspoon. I have a little bit of salt as well. Remember we already put salt, तो उन्हीं अनुसार. And then we have black pepper. So I like a lot of black pepper in this. और अभी डालेंगे इसमें पीसे हुए अनारदाना, pomegranate, dried pomegranate seeds, which is a very big thing in the Sindhi kitchen. So here we have some anardana, we have black pepper, we have a little bit of chaat masala. I'm also going to be adding dhania for that nice burst of freshness inside. Beautiful. And I've got about 3 to 4 tablespoons of besan. Besan is something which is used a lot in Sindhi cooking. Okay? Besan was always available. Besan is a base for a Sindhi curry. It's also, you roast it and you make sabzis with it. It's also a binding agent, especially for kebabs, etc. This is a very, very powerful, very strong ingredient in the whole culinary world of Awadhi food, Persian food, Indian food and Sindhi food as well. So I'm just going to be mashing these just like this. Amazing. And once they're nicely mashed, we have to add the besan into it in order to get to bind together so that we can make our lovely koftas. Perfect. तो ये हमने मिक्स कर लिया है. Just getting this together. अभी हमने इसे मैश कर दिया है and now we're going to be binding it with our bhunwa besan. So I've got about 3 to 4 tablespoons of besan which is going in. I'm just going to fold it, literally fold this in. Perfect. And you can see it's all coming together. This has got a very nice binding to it. Abhi we are going to just form these up very quickly. Small size balls, you want to stuff them with a little bit of kishmish or kaju. You can do that as well. But I'm pretty good at what these are coming out to be. आप इसे snacks के साथ serve कर सकते हो. You can even crumb fry it, you know, dip it in a little bit of corn flour and water to make a paste. उसके बाद आप इसको ब्रेड क्रम्ब के साथ भी कोट करके फ्राई कर सकते हो. बट आई एम गोइंग स्ट्रेट अप. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी ब्रेडिंग दिस. इसको हम नाइस फ्राई कर देते हैं और डायरेक्टली हमारे कोफ्ती की ग्रेवी है उसमें चली जाएगी. फर्स्ट द ऑयल फुल, देन काइंड ऑफ मीडियम हाई सो दैट दे कुक रियली ब्यूटिफुली. Be a little gentle when you're dealing with fire, especially hot oil. Nice. बिल्कुल सही कंसिस्टेंसी आ गई है इसकी. इसको हम थोड़े से क्रिस्पी फ्राई कर देते हैं आउटसाइड and then we are just going to drop it into this gravy which is also ready. Look how beautiful and nice color this gravy is. This is exactly what we are actually looking for. Look at that, how amazing these koftas are. Just perfect. So I'm going to drop these into our kofta. Give this a little mix here. So we've got these lovely, nice brown Suran kofta which are ready. Beautiful. अगर आपने अब तक नहीं सब्सक्राइब किया है, I mean, what are you doing out there, man? Do like it, do subscribe, do share. And this is definitely a recipe which is very close to my heart. And finally, after many, many years, thanks to all of you that I'm actually making this recipe, because you guys really drove me that Sindhi kitchen and you're not doing Suran Kofta, it ain't happening, man. So thank you once again. I hope you really love this recipe. Now look at it. Watch me when I plate it. This is a winner. Jai Jhulelal. Oh yeah. Literally, if my friends in Italy would say, they say, whoa, polpette. So these are literally Sindhi meatballs, okay? Suran Kofta in a beautiful, rich, and almost like a dagwari gravy, okay? This is dagwari gravy. Dag means a stain. So literally it's like a nice brownish color. It's looking really good. Suran ka kofta ready. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. Remember, suran is one thing I definitely recommend everyone to eat. It's about creating something which is so frugal and so underrated, yet highly tasteful. Sabhi chao, chulela.